Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on Candy Crush Saga. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on your profile picture in the top section of your screen. Here tap on Friends option. Now tap on Add More Friends option. Now in order to add them as friends, you'll just have to tap on the profile icon with a plus sign. Now once the request is accepted, he or she will be automatically added as your friend. So that is how you can add friends on Candy Crush Saga. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.